In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Drive data permanently. By the end, you'll know how to remove files and folders from your Google Drive and make sure they're gone for good, all from the mobile app. Start by opening the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet and signing into the correct Google account. Take a moment to find the file or folder you want to remove. When you've located it, tap the three-dot menu to the right of the item. This opens a list of actions you can take on that file or folder. Choose, Remove, and then confirm by tapping Move to Trash. At this stage, the item is not permanently deleted. It's simply moved to your trash, which means it can still be recovered for a limited time. To permanently delete it, you'll need to head into your trash. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the app to open the navigation panel. From there, select Trash. In some regions, this may be labeled Bin. It's the same place. Inside Trash, you can choose to permanently delete individual items or everything at once, depending on your needs. If you only want to permanently delete a single file or folder, find it in the trash. Tap the three dots next to it and select Delete Forever. Confirm when prompted. Keep in mind that Delete Forever cannot be undone. Once you confirm, the item is removed from your account and storage and can't be recovered. If your goal is to wipe everything in trash, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the trash screen and select Empty Trash. Confirm the action. This clears all items currently in trash in one go. Again, this is irreversible, so double-check that nothing important is in there before you proceed. If you're freeing up space, this is the step that actually reclaims your storage. A few quick tips for clarity. Removing an item only places it in trash. Drive may automatically purge trash after a period of time, but if you need it gone immediately, use Delete Forever or Empty Trash. If you don't see an item in trash, make sure you're looking in the correct account. For shared content, you may only be able to remove items you don't own from your view. Permanently deleting typically applies to files you own. Large deletions can take a moment to reflect across devices, so give it a bit of time and a stable internet connection. That's it. You've moved items to trash and then permanently deleted them from Google Drive, ensuring they're fully removed from your storage.